So let's move to the next question. That is, what number must be added to each of the numbers 18, 28, 30 and 46 so that they are in proportion? Okay. So you have to find out a number that should be added to 18, 28, 30 and 46. There are four numbers. So what you have to use the four number proportionality condition so that they are in proportion. I hope you all have understood the question and tried. So here we have four numbers. Okay, four numbers and they are in proportion. So they are now they are in not in proportion. We have to add a number to make them in proportion. तो ये हमें पता है कि if four numbers are in proportion, then they would be like this: A ratio B is equals to C upon D. Okay, so now you have 18, 28. So I can write 18 upon 28 is equals to 30 upon 46. At this time, they are not equal. They are not in equal ratio. So what I have to do, I have to add certain number, let's say X, that I have to add to all the numbers. So that ratio become equal. Okay. After this, rest is your calculation. You will do the cross multiplication, and after cross multiplication what you will get: 18 plus X into 46 plus X, which is equals to 30 plus X multiply with 28 plus X. Now how to solve this? In this case, what you have to do, multiply each number with both of them. Okay, first we will multiply 18 into 46 plus, because all sign are in plus, so there is no need of sign multiplication. So 18 into 46, then 18 into X, which is equals to 18X. Okay, now similarly X with 46 and X with X. So what I will get? This will be 46X plus X square. Okay, so I have simplified the left hand side. Similarly, in the right hand side, 30 will get multiplied with both. What I will get? 30 into X or 30X. Sorry, first I have to multiply it with 28. Okay, so this become 28, then plus 30X plus, now again the second term is X, so X into 28 and X into X, so it will become 28X plus X square. Now I can see there are X square at the both end. Now they will cancel out, because अगर मैं इसको यहाँ ले जाऊंगा ये minus X square हो जाएगा और ये दोनों X square cancel हो जाएगा. What I will remain with? I will remain with now 18 into 46. How much? Calculate it fast. 18 into 46 and plus 18x plus 46. ये दोनों एक साथ है. And this is your 30x plus 58x. So 18 into 46 is how much? Now this will become 828. कितना? 828 plus 18x plus 46x कितना हो जाएगा? 18x plus 46x, it will become 14, 1, 5 and 6, 64x is equals to, now 30 into 28. 30 into 28 means this is your 0, 3 8 are 24, 2, 3 2 are 6 and 8, plus this will become 30x plus 28 means 58x. ठीक है, यहां तक क्लियर हो गया? नाउ आई विल डू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, दैट इज सेपरेट द वेरिएबल. नाउ आई विल सेपरेट द वेरिएबल्स. अब वेरिएबल्स कौन से हैं? 64. सो 64x minus 58x. when अब ये जब इस साइड जाएगा then it will get minus is equals to 840 minus 828. Then in the next step, 64 minus 58. 64 minus 58 means 6x. It is your 6x is equals to, and this one is your 12. This one is my 12. So finally what I got x is equals to, इसके बाद भी हम इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं ना, 6 1 जा and 6 2 जा. So x is equals to 2. This is my answer, that if I add 2 to each number then it will become in proportion. Let us check. ठीक है, let's have a check कि क्या वास्तव में ऐसा हुआ. We are right or wrong? Let us check. So our equation was 18 by 28 अब is equals to 30 by 46. Now add 2. ये भी 2, ये भी 2 और यहाँ पे भी 2. अब क्या बना मेरा? This will become 20. 20 by 30 is equals to 32 by 48. Now, if these ratios are equal, this is my 2 upon 3. And if I see 16 2 ja and 16 3 ja. Now, A ratio B. Now we can say, now A ratio B is equals to C ratio D. This is the condition of proportionality. This is the condition of proportionality. This is condition of proportionality. I hope it is clear to all of you now. So the next question is, what number must be subtracted from each of the numbers? Now this is a very similar question, so there should not be any mistake. So try it. So in this case, we have to find out the number which we should have to subtract. So again, we have to make these number in proportion. In order to proportion, we have to write the condition of proportionality when there are 4 numbers. So A upon B should equals to C upon D. Now here I can write 31 upon 19 should equals to 13 upon 10. But this is not the case. So I suppose to subtract a number which is x from all the numbers in order to make them in proportion. Now do the cross multiplication. Again, all of you look it carefully how to multiply these numbers. Okay, so I have 31 minus x into 10 minus x is equals to 13 minus x multiply with 19 minus x. Again, I am telling you, this number will get multiplied with both the numbers which are in bracket. Okay, there are two numbers that first it will multiply with both the numbers. So when it multiply with 10, okay, then it will multiply with minus x. So it will become minus 31x. 31x. Similarly, this minus x when multiply with 10, I will get minus 10x. Minus 10x. And then this minus x will multiply with minus x. So it will become plus x square. Plus x square. So this is my left hand side. Now, same thing I have to do with the right hand side. So multiply 13 with 19. 13. I have to multiply 13 with 19. Then 13 with minus x. What I will get? Minus 13x. Minus 13x. Then minus x with 19. What I will get? Minus 19x. Minus 19x. And when minus x get multiplied with minus x, what I will get? Plus x square. Now again, I have x square and x square at the both hand side. Okay, so they will cut down. They will become 0 because any one of the x square will move to the next another hand side. It will get minus with the present one and it will become 0. So rest what I have 310. Now minus 31 minus 10 is how much? Minus 41. क्योंकि दोनों माइनस है तो ऐड होगा और साइन किसका आएगा? माइनस. So minus 41x is equals to, now multiply 13 with 19. What you will get? 13 with 19. So I know 13 with 19 means 260 minus 13, which is your 742. So 247. So here it is 247. Now minus 13x and minus 19x is equals to how much? The sign will be of minus. It will become 32. It will become 32x. Now let's do separate the variable. Now what I have to do, separate the variable means variables को एक साइड लाना है और constant को दूसरी साइड. So here I have minus 41x plus 32x is equals to 247 minus 310. Okay. Now minus 41x plus 32 क्या होगा? Subtract होगा and the sign किसका पड़ा है? 41 का. So this will be minus 9x. How much? Minus 9x is equals to, in this case, how much you will get? 310 minus, so sign will be of minus 310. 310 minus 247. This is your 3, 6, okay, 63. So you will get 63. Now we know 9 1 this 2 negative sign will cut down और ये क्या हो जाएगा? 9 1 and 9 7. So finally what I got, x is equals to 7. X is equals to 7. Now it's time to recheck or verify our solution. क्या x equals to 7 होना चाहिए or not? ठीक है. In order to verify it, क्या करेंगे हम? Let's write again 31 minus 7 upon 19 minus 7 is equals to 13 minus 7 upon 10 minus 7. Now this will become how much? 31 minus 7 means 24. 24 upon 12 is equals to, this is your 5, this is your 6 upon 3. So simplify both the fractions. This is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 2. So 2 equals to 2. It means we are correct. Now these numbers are in proportion. Understood? So in this, what is given? There are two things. There are two things. Let me draw a table for. Okay. So we will read the question and fill this table. So 81 calories in a slice of bread weighed 30 grams. So what we have to write? This I am writing calorie. है ना? क्या है? This is your calories and this is your weight. Weight in gram and calories. Or now 30 gram. कितना? 30 gram is equals to 81 calories. 81 calories. Now what we have to find out? 600 gram. 600 gram. How many calories? How many calories? We know we have, they all are in proportion. So this ratio, because this is a direct proportion. Direct proportion means in this the ratio of two variables. क्योंकि जितना ज्यादा वेट होगा उतनी ज्यादा कैलोरी होगी. जितना ज्यादा वेट होगा उतनी ज्यादा कैलोरी होगी. So I can write this is my first ratio and this is my second ratio. So because they are in proportion, so I can write x upon 600 is equals to 81 upon 30. 81 upon 30. So the value of x is equals to 81 upon 30 into 600. So this is your 1 and this is your 20. Now x is equals to 0.216 calorie. So this is your answer. Understood? So what you have to learn here कि जब when this quantity is increasing and this quantity is also increasing with the same respect, तो हम इसको निकाल सकते हैं. Now there is one another way to find out the solution. Okay, let me tell you the next way. First you can calculate what we have to find out 1 calorie. हमें find out क्या करना है कि कैलोरी कितनी होंगी 600 ग्राम में. So let me calculate the calorie of 1 gram. Calories in 1 gram. Suppose calories in 30 gram, let me write 30 gram is equals to 81. ठीक है, calories in 30 gram is 81. Now calories in 1 gram is equals to 81 upon 30. Now what you have to find out? Calories in 600 grams. तो 600 grams के लिए क्या होगा? 81 upon 30 into 600. Again, the answer will be same. This is your 20 and the calories in 600 grams is equals to your 1620 calories. Okay, so calories in 600 gram. Understood? I have told you both the method. Whatever you like, whatever you prefer, you can follow. Okay, chalo. So get ready for next question. Now try this. The mass of 20 meter of copper wire is itna 0.9 kg. Find out the mass of 170 meter of the same type of copper wire. Do it fast. Solve it. So again we have two things, mass and the length of wire. Okay, so let's solve it with the both the methods. Okay, so the table would be like this. What you have given, let me write. So first thing is the length. This is your length and this is your weight. If length is 20, if length is 20 and length is in meter and weight is in kg, ठीक है, ये दो बातें दी हुई हैं. So if 20 meter is 0.9 kg, कितना 0.9 kg, we have to find out the weight or mass of 170 which is equals to x. अब देखो लेंथ जितनी ज्यादा होगी वेट उतना ज्यादा होगा. सो इन ये दोनों रेशियो सेम होंगे. Ratio of these two will be equal. So let's equate. Now your 170, or you can say 20 by 0.9 is equals to 170 by x. Now in order to find out x, what I will do, I will separate this x. जब x यहाँ जाएगा and this 20 will come down and this 9 will 0.9 will get multiplied with 70. With that we all know. The 170 into 0.9 upon 20 upon 20. So this is your answer. Now x is equals to how much? This is your, and I can make it 10. So this is 15 into 9. This is 153 upon 20. Then when I further simplify, what you will get? This is your 7. 7 ja 14, 1, 3, 6 ja 12, 1.5 upon 10, which is equals to 7.65 kg. So this is your answer. Okay. So in the next second method, क्या करते हैं हम उसमें? If the length, if the weight of, क्या लिखेंगे? Weight of how much? 20 meter wire. कितना? 20 meter wire. 20 meter wire is equals to how much? 0.9 kg. Now weight of 1 meter, weight of 1 meter wire is equals to 0.9 by 20 kg. Okay. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out the weight of 170 meter wire, which is equals to 0.9 upon 20 into 170, that we have calculated here, which is equals to how much? 7.65 kg. Understood? So these are the two ways to find out the answer. I hope all of you have understood. Thanks and have a nice day. Take care.